You don't need a bigger brain. You don't need to memorize every book in the library. What you need is one mental trick, something geniuses use every single day that upgrades the way your mind works. Here's the truth. Most people don't struggle because they're not smart. They struggle because they use their brain the wrong way. They consume endlessly. They react to life instead of creating. That's what keeps them stuck at average. But here's the mental trick that flips the switch. Think in questions, not answers. Let me explain. Your brain is like Google. It gives you the answers to whatever question you type in. If you ask it low-level questions like, why does this always happen to me? You'll get low-level answers. Because I'm unlucky. Because I'm not good enough. But if you upgrade your question to something like, how can I turn this problem into an advantage? Your brain starts searching for solutions you never thought of before. That's the mental trick geniuses use. Einstein once said, it's not that I'm so smart, it's just that I stay with questions longer. Steve Jobs didn't ask, how do I make a better phone? He asked, how do I put a computer in your pocket? That one upgraded question unlocked billions. Here's how you can use it in your own life. Next time you're stuck, don't say, I can't do this. Ask, what would it look like if I could? Don't say, I'm too busy. Ask, what's the one thing I can do today that makes everything else easier? That one mental upgrade, changing your questions, instantly makes you 10 times smarter, more creative, more resourceful. Because the truth is, intelligence isn't about knowing everything. It's about knowing how to ask the questions that unlock everything. So the next time you feel stuck, remember this. Your brain is waiting for the right search. Type in better questions, and you'll start unlocking genius-level answers. That's your upgrade. That's the one trick that can change everything. So ask yourself right now, what's the one question I could ask today that would completely change my tomorrow?